Learn English to Mauritian Creole language in the context of true love story between Abishek and Trisha. I was blackout. I did not know what to say. My heart was pounding and they were waiting for me to give them an answer. Moti blackout, mu parti koné qui podia mu leker type batfo ek banla type atan moi quand mopu donne en reponse. My eyes were full of tears and I was about to cry. My father asked me calmly, "Do you love Abishek?" Mon lizie ti rempli en larmes et moti prêt pour pleurer. Mon papa in demande doucement. Eski to kontan Abishek? I hesitated for a moment. My head was down and I was not looking at my father. Then bluntly I said, "Yes, I do love him." Mone hesité pour un petit moment. La tête ti besé en bas et mo papé get mo papa. Lerla, ouvertement, me dire oui, mo kontan li. I still remember that day, even though if on that day I was crying deeply. Today, when I think of it, I realize what a stressful day it was. Mo encore rappelle ce jour-là. Quand même, ce jour-là motivé pleurer beaucoup. Aujourd'hui, quand me pensa, me réaliser, c'est un jour bien stressant. Please share, like and subscribe if you want to know more of our beautiful love story. Thank you.